Okay, go to games, third person, rename the project driver. First thing first, go here to file, select new level, choose a basic level, and delete this landscape. Press delete. After that, go to landscape mode, create new landscape mode. Okay, to create this driver, first you need to go here to the edit, plugin, and search for water. Select the first one, first plugin, save current level, level 1, restart the engine. Find the engine is restarted, close this, go to the content drawer, go to content, go to level number 1, in the list landscape mode, go here, search for water. Okay, water body river. Complete. After that, we have to go here. This is my river. Okay, to make it good, let's add starter content right here. Add future content, select start content, add to my project. Okay, it's done. Select the landscape here. Go down, landscape material. We have to add this material, starter content material. Select this metal arrest. Select this button. Now select this river. Make it here. Now you can adjust this river. You can make it bigger by like this, pressing Alt to add another point. You can rotate it and make it here. You can make two rivers from this. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial.